Man, how y'all doing this beautiful day, man? Happy New Year's to all you guys out there that been staying with me for all this while. Even though through my ups and downs and me posting and it's like not consistently. But guys, I wanna say Happy New Year to everybody out there and the whole world. Happy New Year to everybody out there, man. Make sure you basically go out there and have fun today, because today is the last day of 2018. When you wake up in the morning, it's gonna be 2019, and I hope you actually write down some goals. As human, we basically have to have a mindset about just achieving goals, and that's basically what I have to say. But today, as you want to see by the title, today I'm gonna show you guys 5 apps that basically pay money to your PayPal really fast in less than 24 hours. Boom, you already start making money. So I'm gonna just stay tuned and watch this video. These are the 5 best apps to make money really fast. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Let's get into it. Man, let's get into it, man. Let me show you guys. This is 5 best apps to make money fast in less than 24 hours. Guys, let's get into it. Guys, as you're gonna see right here, the first app we actually have on the list is called Dosh. Some of y'all, maybe I haven't heard of Dosh, but Dosh, in my opinion, is fantastic. Man, I'm seeing people making a couple of thousand just one day, man. Like, if you can get at least 20 people to sign up for this app, download this app, and connect their credit card, you can make a good amount of money. Let me show you guys. Here's the proof. I'm gonna leave a screenshot of up here somewhere of how much I was able to make in less than a week, bro. Like, that's crazy. Dosh, in my opinion, is fantastic. Anybody can get on Dosh and kill it. But the only downside about Dosh I don't like though is this. This is required for you to connect your credit card. People are scared. People are literally scared for them not to get scammed, for them not to basically Dosh go into their bank account and basically take out money or basically steal the information. That's why people are scared to sign up for Dosh. But in my opinion, Dosh is fantastic. I haven't had no problem with them with my credit card or anything. So I don't know, maybe some other people that have happened to them. But Dosh is fantastic. And do you know you can make up to $15 per person per referral, man? That's crazy. Let's take to the second app. The second app right here, Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin. I know everybody out there looking to lose weight. Why not make money while running? Yes, you guys might see right here. This app right is fantastic. This app is killing it. As you can see right here, all these apps I'm actually requiring to you guys, they're all for United States. I think for US only. It's not like worldwide or anything like that. It's only for US. So if you're based in the US, try all these apps. You can make good amount of money, because these apps they pay like crazy. It's not like all these other apps out there that basically takes forever to basically make money. These apps pay legit. Now the third app right here, Swagbug. I know some of you are killing it right now on Swagbug, because Swagbug right now is fantastic. They make good amount of money, and they have a good offer right now going on where you sign up, you basically get a $5 bonus. Now that's great. You want to sign up and just get that money, just get in there and basically put in that work, at least maybe an hour a day. You can make good amount of money. You can even make up to $50 or $100 per day. You just basically be on this app. This app is fantastic, because why? They have a variety of offers you can do. That's a good thing about Swagbug. Now my fourth app that you guys should basically check out, Fusion Cash. Who doesn't love Fusion Cash? Fusion Cash, in my opinion, is fantastic also, because why? They have a variety of so many ways you can make money on this app. On this app and slash website. They have an app, they have a website. But guys, you guys can see right here, you can basically get paid money to click, pay money to watch a video, pay money to download the app, they basically pay you to refer a friend, pay you to even have an account created. Like, that's crazy, man. I don't know about, like, but that's different ways you can make money while signing up for Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash has been around for many years from now. They've been around for a lot of years, and people still like them, and people are still gonna love them, because why? It's just easier to make money. Now the fifth app that basically pays you money fast on your phone through PayPal. Listen, man, this right here is a cashback app. It's same as Dosh. They're a cashback app, but they pay for referral. This right here is fantastic. Also, iButter. But guys, This app right here is fantastic because why? Just look at it. They give you $10 per bonus, welcoming bonus, while other apps out there give you $5. They give you $10. Just think about it. If you can basically make good amount of, you can make good amount of money on this app because why? It's basically gives you $10. I think they give you $10 per referral. But guys, this is crazy, man. Look at that. You can get $10 per referral. You can download the app. Look at how much money they app basically pay the users and people, the customers and people that use this app. About 468 million, man. That's a lot of money, man. You guys are living. Hold up. Yeah. 468 million. Oh well. But guys, as I was saying before, make sure you guys have a beautiful new year. And make sure you go out there and have fun, man. Life is too short. Just go out there and expand it. Do what you gotta do right now. Time is not your friend. Go out there, achieve your goal, build it, dream it, achieve it, man. Till next time. You listen. You always know what I have to say. Stay hungry. Cause listen, people who stay hungry in life basically do the things right now to basically get ahead in life. Yes. People who are basically hungry, they basically do whatever it takes to be successful. It doesn't matter what the circumstances, whatever odds against them, they basically go out there and pursue their goal. It doesn't matter. You gotta be like that. You gotta stay hungry, man. Till next time, I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace. I'm out of here. Peace.